Hi there! Today I will show you how to open an IRA account on Charles Schwab platform. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account, a tool designed to help you save for retirement. To get started, click the link below the video or visit the Schwab website at schwab.com. There click on Open an Account button. Before diving in, let me briefly cover the two most common types of IRAs, the Traditional IRA and the Roth IRA. As shown on your screen, there are additional types of account IRAs, such as the Inherited IRA and the Custodial IRA. The Custodial IRA in particular is a great option for helping your children's financial future. Another notable type is the Rollover IRA, which allows you to transfer funds from an employer-sponsored retirement plan, like a 401k or a 403b, into an IRA. After this brief intro, let's return to the two most popular options, the Traditional IRA and the Roth IRA. While they share similarities, there are significant differences between them and you need to understand them before you open one. I have created a detailed video that provides information on all you need to know, so if you are not aware which one to pick, please check the video on the description and then return back here so you can open an account. Quickly though, the main differences between a Roth IRA and traditional IRA are in tax treatment, income limits, and withdrawal rules. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars and qualified withdrawals are tax-free, while traditional IRA contributions may be tax-deductible but withdrawals are taxed. Last main difference is that Roth IRAs have income limits for eligibility and no required minimum distributions, whereas traditional IRAs have no income limits for contributions but require minimum distributions starting at age 73. Again, for a full dive, please check the video on the description and then choose based on your current tax situation and future retirement goals. For this video, we will open a Roth IRA account, but if you decide to open a traditional IRA, the process is exactly the same. To begin, click Roth IRA and you shall get a new screen which gives you a few information on what you can do with a Roth IRA account, what assets you can purchase, the fees and costs which are zero on Charles Schwab platform, and the documents you will need in order to open the account. Those are pretty standard. There are social security number, email address, and the birth dates for people who want to inherit your IRA assets. Get all this info and let's proceed. The next step is quite obvious and standard. We need to provide the following information: name, address, date of birth, social security number, email, and phone number. To note here that if you already have an account with Charles Schwab, you will be asked to log in and after verify your information. But in this video, I assume you have no account. If you do, you will just skip the next step. For the newcomers, you will need to verify your identity. You can do that by receiving a text, email, or receive a call. I used the text as it seems the easiest option for me. You will receive a code instantly, just add it and click continue. Now you will need to create a login ID, a password, and answer a security question. Again, fill these fields and click continue. Again, if you have an account, all the previous steps will not apply to you, but moving forward, the rest will. So for both new and existing account holders for Charles Schwab, the next steps are the same. And it will ask you if you would like to add a trusted contact. This is entirely up to you. If you feel more secure to do it, you can proceed and add a person. Whenever you finish, click continue. The next question is if you want to inherit your IRA asset to another person in case you pass away. This could be your spouse, your children, or any other person you may wish. As this is a demo account, I will not add any person. Continue by verifying a few info about yourself, or if you're a new person here, add all your personal information, such as employment status, and answer for a few more questions, multiple choice or all of them. So please answer what applies to you and proceed. We're almost there. On this section, you are asked how you want to receive your documents. I recommend paperless, but if you want to receive printed documents, you can uncheck the boxes. This next screen allows you to pick if you want to enable margin account, options trading, and think or swim trading platforms. This is entirely up to you. I like to have all the options available to me. So usually I click yes on all these things, and I did the same thing on my brokerage account. But on an IRA account, I'm always a bit more conservative, so I wouldn't activate them. You can activate them later on, so it's not a big deal. For this account, I will not be activating them. That's it. If you're new to Charles Schwab, they will want to know your financial situation. If you have an account, the next screen you will see the agreements page. Anyhow, for the newcomers, please add the information. It's quite a standard procedure if you have opened any type of these accounts in the past. Next screen is review. Please review all the information you have entered. Make sure they are correct, and once you do that, click continue. Almost done, as the window indicates. In this section, we will have to agree to the terms and conditions, which there are quite a few, so make sure you take some time and read them prior agreeing if you don't feel comfortable clicking. You have completed the application and instantly you should have your Roth IRA open. The next step is to fund your account. Click Add Funds and you shall be presented with 4 options. Online transfer, which takes about 1 to 2 business days. Transfer account, that means transfer your holding, stocks, ETF, and so on, from another brokerage here. Deposit a check or do a wire transfer. Just to note here, if you transfer funds from another broker, it needs to be a Roth IRA account. It cannot be from regular broker's account into Roth IRA. Personally, I prefer the online transfer, so we'll click that. Then click Add Account, which is the account you just opened. What this service will do is to link your bank account to this account in order to be able to transfer money from it. Pick the type of account, checking or savings, underwriting number, account number, accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. Keep in mind the limits for Roth IRA accounts so you don't over-contribute to your account. Congrats! Your Charles Schwab Roth IRA account is now open and soon funded. The next step will be to buy something for your Roth IRA account. The process of buying and selling within the IRA account is identical as it's on the regular account. On the main window of the platform, click Trade. You will be presented with multiple options such as all-in-one trade stickers, stocks and ETFs, option, mutual funds, and so on. We will stick to stocks and ETFs, so we'll pick that option. Make sure that on the top you select Roth Contributory IRA prior placing the order. As I don't have any funds on my Roth IRA account, I will perform the trade on a regular account, but the process is identical. For my first purchase in this account, I will go with no other than the SCHD ETF, which is the Schwab US Dividends Equity ETF, and as a huge sucker for dividend stocks and ETFs, I cannot deny that this is one of the best in the market and personally one of my favorites. Anyhow, as you can see, the price of the ETF is at $27.55. The bid and the ask price fluctuates a bit. And also we get information about the previous close, the days range, and the 52 weeks average. My action will be to buy, of course, and the quantity will be 1. Now, many probably wonder if you can buy fractional shares. The answer is that Charles Schwab platform allows you to buy them through their Schwab Stock Slices program. Anytime you buy fractional shares through that, you can buy a single slice or up to 30 slices of as little as $5 per slice. I will not be buying fraction share and I will stick to buying 1 share. While I was talking, the price went up a bit, so I need to set my limit higher or to buy market, which I will do because honestly, at this moment, I don't mind the extra 2 cents. When I do put higher buy orders though, I tend sometimes to use other order types. So click preview order and there you have it. Buy 1 SCHD for $27.56. I will click place order and as you can see the order was received and I have an order confirmation code. If you wish to sell your stocks or ETFs, you can click on either all-in-one trade or stocks and ETFs and basically you're back in the same screen that we used to buy the ETF. The difference now is that you have 1 share and it will be seen here. Check the arrow. So in order to sell, change the action to sell, pick the quantity you want and click preview. If you're good with these terms, click place order. And this is how simple it is to buy and sell stocks and ETFs on the Schwab trading platform. I hope this video helped you create and fund your traditional Roth IRA account. If it did, please like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Talk to you soon.